Hi, my name is Dave. Basically, I'm a pretty active person. I surf, I play tennis, but then I was experiencing a lot of inflammation in my body. A lot of joints were hurting. My back, my neck, low back, shoulders, ankles, even. Yeah, I just had constant pain all over my body. I almost thought I had like fibromyalgia. I thought maybe, or I don't know what was going on with my body. I've been a type 1 diabetic since 1989, and I was gaining a lot of weight too. I went up to 192. I'm only 5'6", and so 192 is a little bit much for me. And basically, I wasn't sure what was going on with my body. I did all these tests from all these different doctors, like a rheumatoid arthritis test, C-reactive protein test, just to see what was going on with my body, and nobody could figure it out. I did different doctors, endocrinologists, arthritis doctors. And then I ran into advanced functional medicine by randomly. They had a little seminar in my area, and I thought, oh, can't hurt to see what it's about. And so I went to the seminar, and then I signed up to meet Dr. Willis, and he was great. He kind of encouraged me to try it, so I did. I did everything they asked of me, and I followed the procedure to the T, and now I've lost about 11-12 pounds, and I feel like I used to feel. The pain has gone down to like less than 50-60%, so only like 30% pain left in my body. It's pretty amazing. I couldn't believe like how they've helped me. I quit coffee. I thought I would never quit coffee. I was drinking like four cups a day. I love coffee. And now I find out, I'm thinking back, it's a drug. I was addicted to it. So the program got me off of coffee because they were giving me so many good things to make up for the things I was lacking before, that I now have more energy too than ever before. I have less anxiety, less stress in my soul, in my mind, just functioning better in general. My blood sugars have been much better. They were kind of all over the place. Now they're just staying stable because of the diet they were advising me to do. So that's been helpful. Yeah, brain fog's down. I used to have a lot of brain fog. Used to wake up in the mornings and just be like out of it, because I was drinking so much coffee. I used to take like Unisom and all these other things, and so when I wake up I would feel pretty bad. So now I feel really normal, and my energy level all day is like so stable. I used to crash in the afternoon, evening, and now I can just keep going all day, and I don't even know where the energy comes from. I used to take a nap, just to get my energy back. I don't even need naps now. It's pretty amazing. So yeah, I highly recommend the crew, and you can't go wrong, really. Trust me, you cannot go wrong. It'll change your life. You'll be surprised how your body is when it's meant to function, how it is, how well you can live daily. So, all right, I wish you all luck. Bye.
Look better, feel better, function better. Advanced Functional Medicine.